The big software update for Lisa X is coming for all printers on the market. Industry 4.0, expert mode, UX and UI improvements, new features in Sinterit Studio, all for all professionals. Lisa X is now fully compatible with Industry 4.0 standard. With over 20 different parameters and options, you have a full control over the printing process, and you can fully integrate it into your production management system. Use the full potential of SLS printing thanks to Industry 4.0. Expert mode. Lisa X is super easy to use without any knowledge or experience. But for professionals, we have something that will significantly speed up the whole process. Expert mode allows you to skip the wizard steps and gain full control over the recorder and beds. Thanks to expert mode, you can cut the pre-printing time even by half. Sinterit Studio gets the new features that our users were asking for: object mirroring, easy settings copying from one object to another, remote stop of printing, and remote support, all to make working with Sinterit Studio smoother. Improvements in Lisa X UX and UI. We added new functions to printer control panel. Print history. Choose one of the previous print jobs and repeat it easily. Auto update. When Lisa X is connected to Wi-Fi, now updates automatically. Easy support. Upload printer logs to flash drive for customer support. All in all, Lisa X is now more connected, more accessible, and has higher performance.